Why do onions make you cry? The onion has been traced back as far as the Bronze Age and was worshipped by the ancient Egyptians and eaten by the Israelites during their bondage in Egypt. Onions were rubbed over the muscles of Roman gladiators, used to pay rent in the Middle Ages, and eventually brought to the Americas, where today we fry, caramelize, pickle, grill, and generally enjoy them. Many of us burst into tears when we cut into one too. It's the price we pay for oniony goodness. Here's a play-by-play breakdown of how we go from grabbing a knife to crying like a baby. First, when you cut into an onion, its ruptured cells release all sorts of goodies, like allanase enzymes and amino acid sulfoxides. The former breaks the latter down into sulfenic acids. Next, the sulfenic acids, unstable bunch that they are, spontaneously rearrange into thiosulfonates, which produce a pungent odor and at one time got the blame for our tears. The acids are also converted by the LF synthase enzyme into a gas called syn-propanethyl S-oxide, also known as the lacrimatory factor or the crying factor. Then, syn-propanethyl S-oxide moves through the air and reaches our eyes. The first part of the eye it meets, the cornea, is populated by autonomic motor fibers that lead to the lacrimal glands. When syn-propanethyl S-oxide is detected, all the fibers in the cornea start firing and tell the lacrimal glands to wash the irritant away. Our eyes automatically start blinking and producing tears, which flushes the irritant away. Of course, our reaction to burning eyes is often to rub them, which only makes things worse since our hands also have some syn-propanethyl S-oxide on them. It only takes about 30 seconds to start crying after you make the first cut. That's the time needed for syn-propanethyl S-oxide formation to peak. The onion's relatives, like green onions, shallots, leeks, and garlic, also produce sulfenic acids when cut, but they generally have fewer, or no, LF synthase enzymes, and don't produce syn-propanethyl S-oxide. Since I usually go through a good deal of onions while cooking at home, I've been road testing some of the different methods the internet suggests for reducing or avoiding the effects of the lacrimatory factor. Here's what I tried. Method number 1. Chill or slightly freeze the onions before cutting, the idea being that this will change the chemical reactions and reduce the gas that is released. Result: the onion from the fridge has me crying just as quickly as room temperature ones. The one that was in a freezer for 30 minutes leaves me dry-eyed for a bit, but by the time I'm done dicing my eyes start to burn a little. Method number 2. Cut fast, get the chopping over with before the gas reaches your eyes. Result: just hacking away at the onion, I get it in the frying pan without so much as a sting in my eyes. The onion looks awful though. Doing a proper dice, I take a little too long and start tearing up. If you don't mind a mangled onion, this is the way to go. Method number 3. Put a slice of bread in your mouth, and cut the onion with most of the bread sticking out to catch the fumes. Result: it seems the loaf of bread I have has gone stale. I stop the experiment and put bread on my shopping list. Method number 4. Chew gum while chopping. It keeps you breathing through your mouth, which keeps the fumes away from your eyes. Result: this seems to work pretty well as long as you hold your head in the right position. Leaning toward the cutting board or looking right down at the onion puts your eyes right in the line of fire again. Method number 5. Cut the onions under running water. This prevents the gas from traveling up into the eyes. Result: an onion in the sink is a hard onion to cut. I think Confucius said that. My leaky Brita filter is spraying me in the face and I'm terrified I'm going to cut myself, but I'm certainly not crying. Method number 6. Wear goggles. Result: in an effort to maintain my dignity, I try my eyeglasses and sunglasses first. Neither do me any good. The old chemistry lab safety glasses make me look silly, but help a little more. I imagine swim goggles would really do the trick, but I don't have any. Method number 7. Change your onion. Tear-free onions have been developed in the UK via special breeding and in New Zealand via gene silencing techniques. Result: my nearest grocery store, Whole Foods, doesn't sell genetically modified produce or onions from England. Tonight we eat leeks.